down, eh? You got to look everything what you see.
Welcome to Borneo. I have to take a taxi ride to the hotel now. Should be a few minutes, but it'll be okay. Just 5 minutes with the taxi. Something's there. Good afternoon. I'd like to check in.
Booking on the name, sir?
Name is Ted Horst.
Mr. Rose.
Good morning from Sandakan in Borneo, Malaysia. Traveling without a bike is a little bit different, so you have to wait for transport. And some have to wait for my transport, which arrives somewhere about 11:30. And then we're going to the jungle. Spending 2 nights in the jungle lodge and doing some boat excursions and some walking excursions. So trying to make the best of the time that I don't have no motorcycle. I'm planning to do 3 stops here on Borneo before I reunite with the bike. And the first stop is the rainforest and the Sandakan area. We're going to a river lodge later, and things are organized from there. So I'm really looking forward to see the rainforest and see what kind of wildlife we get to see. We're in the lodge now and it's raining. We're about to leave on our first boat excursion. I'm not sure how much we can see when it's raining like this. A little poncho to keep me dry. Not too confident it will, but at least it's something, and I won't be sitting out in the pouring rain. You can see here are all the people waiting, and over there by the river the small boats are slowly getting loaded up. The boat trip is postponed for a while because of thunder and lightning.
Yo creo, ¿eh?
Down, eh? You got to look everything what you see. Yeah.
A baby.
More, put it down.
You want to see we want another one is not too far. ¿Dónde está? Se metió al agua ya. Sí, ya lo vi. Míralo, ahí.
So this is our boat.
botella de naranjita. Se escribe la cara. Ay, qué feote. Familia, ahí está que se ve. Lleva el bebé. A ver,
Selamat TV kan? Ini yang
All in about at 6 a.m. in the morning. Up for another wildlife viewing. It's been raining for most of the day after breakfast here at the launch, and now they've woken us up for lunch. So I'm gonna check out what lunch is and see if this more sunny weather is gonna treat us well. Well, no one's here. I'm just gonna take the opportunity to show me my beautiful room here at the launch. Well, we've got 6 bunk beds. Top one here is mine, and I guess this is my first dorm room of the trip. 2 nights. We've got airco at night, so we can sleep, but it's not as luxurious as some of the other places I've been to, but I'll manage. Afternoon boat ride on the second day. Name was missing from the board, so I was chucked in another boat. Fine anyway. But it's very nice sunshine now, and let's see if it's a different wildlife hunting now than it was yesterday.
Wow, nice. Good trip.
It's a baby.
Yeah, the baby. Wow, baby.
Is it the male that have tusks?
Yeah, the male, the young male.
Yeah.
The north side there.
I think we've got about 500 people here watching the elephants. So maybe the elephants are watching us.
The long tail, different in the short tail macaque, long tail macaque, you know. Different species, but not same the habitat, yeah. Like the species not same. It's very big. Very big there. Oh, crocodile! See. Go. Mati mesin, mati. Okay?
I'm here at Sapilok, and there's a rewilding center for sun bears, and there's an orangutan research center, and those happen to be two big animals I didn't get to see on my Love boat cruises. So it's a good opportunity to see him here in almost natural conditions, and it's good to see that they're also working on bringing them back to their original habitat. I guess this first episode without the bike comes to an end today. We visited some elephants, some crocodiles, some proboscis monkeys, some orangutans today, some sun bears, plenty of other wildlife, mainly monkeys. So I hope you liked it even without the motorbike. So if you do, please give me a thumbs up, and if you want to see more of these videos, I think there are 2 or 3 more coming up like this. You can subscribe to the channel and tune in for the next episode.